Hi everyone, Muriel here with a project share. So I had some inspiration last week to create some mini envelopes, and as I was going through my Valentine's goodies, I ran across these that I picked up from Michael's probably this year. They're just some really tiny envelopes with messages inside or a piece of paper inside and some gold hearts on the outside. Now prior to that, I recall picking up some at Target, and I just have that one left. Those are really small, and they have these cute foam hearts as closures. So really adorable. And then that's the back where you can just stick them on your projects. So I found a tutorial, and I will link it down below. It is from MayMay Made It channel, where she shows you how to create some mini envelopes. So let me show you what mine look like. I have them packaged already, but you can see the bottom one there. They're really small. They start out 2 1/8 by 2 1/8 square, and of course you have to score it down the center and on the sides, and then just like in the envelope, you fold it over, you glue 2 sides, and there you have it. And then you just measure out the piece of paper that'll go inside. And then I am using this closure. These are some hearts stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I've used up all the small ones. I think I just have some medium size left, and I just cut out a banner from a Sizzix die that is right here. Actually, it's downstairs, but here's the box. So they come with 3 shapes. I kind of used this one here, but cut some of it off so it'd be narrower, as well as the fishtail one, and then I didn't use that one there. I did some typing of Happy Valentine's Day on my computer and just cut them out, cut these labels out, and did a little fishtail on the edge, and then put a heart there in the corner, and those are from the Dollar Tree as well. They look like this, all kinds of pink and silver images on them. Really, really cute. And the topper that I'm using, you can see from the back, is just a tab, and it's from this huge punch here. It's a 2 1/4 by 3/4 tab that you fold in half. It's actually 3 inches, and it's just this big monster punch. I mean, I have to do it on the floor downstairs because it's so hard, and you know, these type of punches aren't our favorite, but I am trying to put it to use. And then once I was finished, I just bagged up 3, and I put them in these cellophane bags that I get from Stampin' Up. Stampin' Up? Yes, I have like a Stampin' Up demonstrator and a Close to My Heart demonstrator. So actually these are, yes, these are Stampin' Up. They look like this. They are 2 by 8 inch cellophane bags, and I use some and kept them at this height, and then when I only had 3, I cut the bag sort of in half, as you can see here. Here is one with 3 envelopes, and then here is one with 4 envelopes, and they're just mini envelopes, and I think they came out really cute. And the paper collection that I used to make them is from Love Notes, and this collection is so familiar to me because last year I altered some boxes, and this is the paper that I used, although I don't think I had the pad. I think I had a 6x6 pad that I use, but nonetheless, I love this collection. This is gonna be the collection that I use to make a lot of projects that I've already made and that I will continue to make. I just love the red, the greens, the blues. The cut aparts are perfect for pocket letters, which I've made several already, and then you have some of these words at the bottom that you can cut out and use, as I did, and I'll show you. So I made several of those. I'm just showing you the 2 sizes that I made them in, the 3-pack and the 4-pack. And then I made some cupcake medallions, what I'm calling them. And they look like this. This is just starting out with a circle cut out from a Sizzix die. And then the cupcake liner goes underneath. And then I made a rosette out of this paper. And then on top of it I have a plastic heart, one here as well. And then between all this I have some of this rose gold twine thread. You recall I bought 2 of these at a thrift store for a very, very, very cheap price, and I've given lots of it away, and I'm still working on the first roll. So I just kind of put some underneath the rosette, spread it out, and then put one of the cut aparts from the paper collection on top that says I love you, and that's my medallion cupcake. So I made several of those as well. So I just wanted to come and show you that I am here in the Coop House, very, very busy with Valentine's Day projects. I have 2 swaps that I'm in again, and I have several that I want to send out to some fellow subbies. So thank you for watching. I will link MayMay's link in my description box for you to follow this mini envelope tutorial. And again, this is the Crepe Paper Love Notes collection. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. And until my next video, bye now.